Hey guys, this is Omar from BusySeed. I'm the VP of Client Success, and today we're going to be going over if Pinterest is right for your business. Here's the video. So, Pinterest. Great social media platform. It's one of the top tier social media platforms out there. And this is because you have 250 million active monthly users on there. That means a lot of people are using Pinterest. And people are using Pinterest to find products, to find different things to buy for whatever occasion. You have 93% of people on Pinterest are product hunting. It means they're looking for something, so there's a lot of opportunity there. And on average, Pinterest has 3.8% more purchases than any other social media platform. So it's something to really take advantage of if your business is a right fit for Pinterest. So it's important to understand, your demographic with Pinterest. So Pinterest is no longer just women. You have 50% of people signing up in 2018 being men. So this means you have a good opportunity to sell to a bunch of different genders. It's also important to keep in mind 66% still identify as women. So if you do have brands that are more associated with that, that works out well for you. More importantly, it's to understand the income ranges, because Pinterest is between medium to higher income earners. So low income earners don't frequent Pinterest as often. One thing to keep in mind with Pinterest, if you are going to attempt to do this, is that you need to have a stockpile of just different assets, such as photos, designs that you may have created, and videos. Those are super important because those are really the eye-catching content that's going to lead to people going through, clicking on stuff and going into your website. So that's going to be very important there. Another important thing to understand with Pinterest is that you do need to analyze. You do need to, give it a good analytical mindset, because there's going to be content that doesn't engage. There's going to be content that really does engage. So one important thing to keep in mind is that you want to check on your pins. You want to check on your boards. You want to do this about, let's say, once a week. If you do it once a week, you're doing fine. But you want to make sure that, if pins if there are certain boards that just aren't really getting a ton of views, abandon them. Just create new ones. Put new boards together. It's going to be really important so that you get better engagement. So, kind of wrap it all up in conclusion, to understand if Pinterest is right for your business, you need to keep in mind that Pinterest is a social media platform that does really sell well. You're going to have medium to higher income earners, so that means that you want to make sure that your products aren't as cheap. You have quality products. People really look for that. You want to make sure you have content. You want to make sure you have a lot of content, and then you want to make sure that you can go ahead and analyze that. Do your analysis weekly, and really that's the key to Pinterest. So guys, make sure you you follow us and subscribe to this video. There's going to be a link to the blog. We actually wrote about this down below. Thank you guys for watching.